Hello kids, let's learn to week's name. It's Sunday, Monday. First color name kids, brown color, purple color, pink color, light green color, light pink color, green color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, yellow color, and blue color. Shape sorry. Sunday, Monday. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. M O N D A Y. Monday. Monday means Somawar. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mangalwar. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhwar. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday means Guruvar. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday means Shukrar. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday means Shaniwar. If this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.